Yeah, welcome back, sir. We'll do the scanner on the quasi contracts. First question. Explain the meaning of the quasi contract. Explain the meaning of the quasi contract. State the circumstances which are identified as a quasi contract. So types of quasi contract. So if you read the definition, no, you may get the 2 marks. If you read the types of quasi contract, you may get the 5 marks. Right question, beta. So quasi contracts are the contracts imposed by law based on the principle of equity. One should not enrich the cost of the other party. And when quasi contract will arise, claim for necessary supply to incompetent person and payment by the interested person on behalf of you I am paying, and obligation of the non-graduates activity. Next, responsibility to the finder of the goods and money paid thing is delivered by mistake or the coercion. Then direct question, beta. Next, what is quasi contract and its features? Direct question, beta. Quasi contract and its features. Each question is comes 5 times. Repeated. Next, X, a minor, was studying MCOM in a college. On 1st July 2021, he took the loan of 1 lakh from B for payment of his college fees and to purchase books, which are necessary. No, but education is necessary. And agreed to repay by 31st December 2021. X possesses the assets worth of 9 lakhs. Assets beta 9 lakhs. Loan 1 lakh. On due date, X fails to pay the loan to B. B now wants to recover the loan from X out of X assets, referring to provisions of the Indian contract, whether B can succeed. Answer is yes, because there is a quasi contract. If a supplying the necessaries to incompetent person or his dependents, we can recover from their estate, but not personally. What is worth of estate beta? 9 lakh. Worth of the necessary 1 lakh. Can we recover beta? Yes. The same question repeated again. This is IC at Assure Knowledge. The same question 2024 September RTP. In the place of X, he become Amit. Second time. X become Amit, Amit become Rahul. I think same question. Rahul find a smart watch in a restaurant. Find of lost goods. And he inquired about all the customers present there, but true owner could not be found. So who is the Rahul beta finder of the lost goods? He hand over the same to manager of the restaurant to keep it till the true owner is found. After a week, he went back to the restaurant, inquired about the smartwatch. The manager refused to return to Rahul, saying that it did not belong to Rahul. In the light of the Indian contract, can Rahul recover from the manager? Yes. Who is the loser? Mr. X, someone. So X is the loser. Who is the finder beta? Rahul. So the quasi contract is between the Rahul and the loser of the watch. As per Indian contract, the finder of the goods has the right to retain the goods until owner is found. So can Rahul recover the watch from the restaurant owner? Yes. The same example we discussed in the regular class also. Yes or no, sir? Raghav found a gold diamond studs wristwatch, value approximately 1 lakh. In the place of the watch, electric watch, it becomes the wristwatch. Raghav found the gold and diamond stud wristwatch approximately 1 lakh on the main road, on the roadside. He picked it up and then advertised in the newspaper that the true owner thereof can take the watch after showing the proper evidence. He gave advertisement also. So there is a quasi contract between this guy and the loser, Raghav and loser. After waiting for a certain period of time, when the true owner did not turn up, he gifted the watch to his son Mahesh. Can he give like that? No. How can you gift it to your friend, your son? There's a quasi contract between you and the owner. Yes sir, no sir. It is not a perishable good. If you spend, it's not a perishable good, no beta. If you spend 2/3 of the value of the article, then you can sell. But moreover, you cannot gift it to your son after spending 2/3 of the value of the article. That means 67%. You can sell the article. So whatever money is left, no, you have to hand it over to the owner. After a few days, Madhav, the true owner of the watch. So who is the owner of the watch? Madhav. Who found it? Raghav. Madhav, true owner of the watch, somehow noticed his watch on the wrist of the Mahesh. He approached him to collect the same, but Mahesh refused. In the evening, Raghav called the Madhav and told him that he incurred 20,000 rupees to find the true owner. If he fails to reimburse him lawful expenses incurred on finding of the true owner, he will sue him for recovery thereof and retain the position of the watch. Crazy. He said, I was spending 20,000 rupees in search of you. You have to give me 20,000. Otherwise, I will file a case on you. By the time he is gifting it to his son. And retain the position of the watch with him till recovery. He said, until you pay them a 20k, I will keep the watch. Can he say like that? Yes. If you pay, I will ready to pay. Even he can sell the watch for recovery of the expenses. He said, if you don't give me money, I will sell it. Advise whether the following actions of the Raghav are lawful as per Indian Contract Act. Gifting the watch to his son, is it lawful? Unlawful. Warning Madhav to sue for recovery of the lawful expenses incurred. We shouldn't have warned. Warning is not good. We can ask him, for finding the true owner. So can he recover the lawful expenses? Yes. Retain in the position of the wristwatch till the recovery of the lawful expenses. To be frank, he can retain, but he said, I think no. Raghav's action of retaining the until means lawful, valid. No. So selling the wristwatch, can he sell it? Yes, after spending 2/3 of the value of the article. 2/3 means 66.67%. But we have to pay extra remaining money to that guy. Then beta, this question came for 4 marks. Beta, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, 4 marks. But we should get step 1, step 2, step 3. Then this question came in the year 24. Next, Rahul found the smartwatch. Same question. 24. Above question repeated. X found the wallet in the restaurant. Same question repeated. X found the wallet in the restaurant. Repeated. Explain the type of contracts in the following agreements under the Contract Act. Rahul contracts with Banu, owner of the factory, for supply of 10 tons of sugar. But before supply is effected, factory catches the fire and everything is destroyed. Void contracts. A coolie in uniform, implied contracts. Obligation of finder of lost goods. P left his carriage on D's premises. Landlord seized the carriage against the rent due from D. P paid the rent and got his carriage released. Can P recover the amount from the D? Yes. Which case la? Abid Hussain versus Ganga Sahel. Abid Hussain versus Ganga Sahel, same case la beta. Can we recover from the owner? The owner has to pay the some taxes. Owner has to pay something. Since you are not paying, no, I paid on your behalf. Can I recover from you? Same. Ganga Sahel versus P. Mr. L let out his residential house to Mr. M for 50,000 rupees per month. L is giving his house to M for rent for a period of 1 year. According to rental agreement, electricity bill should be paid by the L. Who should pay the bill beta? Owner. But L could not pay the electricity bill for last 5 months. In the place of the property tax, what came? Electricity bill came. Which case la? Ganga Sahel versus Abid Hussain. I said no, this question came so many times. No. So L could not pay the electricity bill for last 5 months due to his financial hardships. The electricity board send the notice of disconnection if it is not paid within the week's time. To avoid all this, Mr. M, who is M, tenant, paid the electricity bill of 50k with penalty. Later, L refused to reimburse the 50k and argued that he has paid the bill voluntarily because of his own interest. Decide, can we recover from the money from the owner? Yes. 2025. 2025 may I beta. Quasi contract. Money paid for another person. Same question beta. 24-25. Electricity bill. Same. Why? Same question, huh? Same question. Ganga Sahel versus Abid Hussain versus Ganga Sahel. Repeat over beta. Why holding agriculture land in Gujarat? Same question repeated. Same question. कितना बार repeat आ रहा देखो बेटा. Same question. House tax. If you listen carefully, the regular lecture, scanner will become very easy. But sometimes you will feel you know the answers, but लिखने का नहीं आता unless you practice. See, the same question came nearly 6 to 7 times. A agrees to pay B 5,000 rupees if he marries C. C died before the marriage. Can he? It will become void contract. Void contract. It's not related to this chapter actually. It's related to void contract chapter. A supplied necessaries for the life to wife of lunatic. But which contract is that? Quasi contract. I'm in the place of the wife. I give mother. So I'm supplying necessities to medicines. I mean necessity no matter. Supplied life of the wife of the lunatic. Can he get the payment? Yes, out of the assets. Necessity supplied to income person are his dependents. First heading. A promises to pay 1 lakh rupees if B ship does not return. Contingent contract. Which contract? The Mr. Y, aged 21, lost his mental balance after death of his parents in an accident. The mind is a lunatic beta. Is a he has left his grandmother's aged about 85, incapable of walking, depend upon the him. So Y is then beta. Y is a lunatic because he lost his mental balance and he is having a dependent grandmother. Dependent, same example I go, instead of grandmother I said mother. Mr. M, neighbor, out of the pity, started supplying the food and other necessaries to both of them. Incompetent person and his mother, grandmother also. Why? And his grandmother used to live in the house built by his parents. Mr. M also provided the grandmother some financial assistance for her emergency medical treatment. After supplying necessaries to Mr. Y for 4 years, M approached the farmer for asking him to pay back 15 lakhs. Inclusive of 7 lakhs incurred for the medical treatment of the grandmother. So out of 15 lakhs, 8 lakhs is for the Y, 7 lakhs is for the grandmother. Mr. Y pleaded that he was good his parents' jewelry to sell maximum of the 4 lakhs, which may be adjusted against the dues. Mr. M refused and threatened Mr. Y of legal action. So what is the worth of the estate beta? Jewelry is 4 lakhs and building also there. They are staying in the building constructed by his parents. Jewelry is 4 lakhs. Building also there. So can we recover from the jewelry? Yes. Can you recover from the building? Yes. Now you are required to answer the following questions. 6 marks better. 3 questions are there. Will Mr. M succeed in filing the suit to recover the money? Yes. Because if necessary is separate to incompetent person or his dependent, we can recover from his estate. He is having jewelry worth of 4 lakhs and building also there. We don't know the value of the building. Obviously more than 10 lakhs only, no beta. Any village. What is the maximum amount of money that can be recovered? Right now 4 lakhs for sure. Plus extra thing also from the building. Shall the provisions of the above act also apply to medical treatment given to grandmother? Yes. If any necessary separate to incompetent person or his dependent also, we can recover. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 marks. A fruit parcel was delivered under a mistake. Fruit parcel. Tiffin example we discussed in the regular lecture. Tiffin. Same. A fruit parcel is delivered under a mistake to R, who consumes the fruits thinking it was the birthday present. State remedy available to owner. Can we recover? Money paid, thing is delivered by mistake. Quasi contract, I say TYK beta. What do you mean by quantum merit and when quantum merit will arise? Later question beta. 5 cases we should write. Done with the quasi contract also successfully completed till the general principles governed in the contract. So we left with the bailment pledge agency. We'll do that in the next lectures. Have a great time. Enjoy the day. Prepare well. AC signing off. Take care.